In this video, I will show you how to make a resume on Google Docs. So firstly, open Google Docs. Once you click on these dots and hit the option for Google Docs, click on it. Now here click on this template gallery. Now you can see ready to use resume. You can use any template. Just click on any particular template. Here make changes as your requirement. Your name. Also here your name, your address, your email address, phone number, your skill, experience, your education and award. So check out and see which is the better for you. This is the second one. Okay, you can get the idea. So you will get idea and you can create as your need. And once you done and you made changes as your requirement, click on file and you can download as Microsoft Word and PDF. There are some more options. You can email and you can share with others. So thanks for watching.